guys want a formal introduction to baby Steele? Did you meet him yet? He's up here. Good morning, how's he going? Can you come up and see the baby turtle? You're not interested in meeting him, Chewy? It's fine. Not everybody has to be a baby person. Good afternoon, how is it going? It's time to start thinking about putting something on for dinner. And I decided that tonight I'm gonna make some curry. Curry is delicious and nutritious for breastfeeding moms. So I think that's what we're gonna make. I think we just put it in the pot and warm it up. And we're really good at curries. I gotta make the rice myself though, which, be careful. If you mess your proportions up, you can get really watery rice, or you can get really dry rice. And you don't want to boil it too long, and you don't want to hit the wrong button, then you just get the wrong thing. I don't want to do bad. And there we go. That's that. My mama just called. Mama?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm sorry, I didn't go fast when I call you and ask you to call me.
I wasn't gonna say anything. And we've just been chilling out, watching Lost in Space. We ate some leftover pre-made curry? Pre-made curry. I don't know what you consider it. Hanging out with the cute bubby. Rory is definitely a nugget. This guy is, he's something. A seed? Seedling? Sapling? We'll figure out what he is. It's time for a little stroll with the bubby. Gotta take him out, show him the world. See if he wants to drink in the bottle. You're making cute noises. His review of the outside is rather lackluster. Seems like he could take it or leave it.
I can sleep inside as well as outside, so what ifs?
Wait till it starts flashing again. All of a sudden.
Upstairs on her own, so Steele and I are gonna come up and do his room reveal. You excited to see your room? This could be so exciting, huh? Let's check it out. What do you rank your changing table? 1, 2, 10, 20? 20 out of 10? 2 out of 10? Do you like the giraffe? It's from Aunt Judy. She never got to meet you. It's kind of sad.
Barely got to meet Rory.
Barely got to meet Rory. That's sad too.
Which is weird.
And we're done talking about sad things. You got a nice poster of your name. That's pretty cool, huh? A cactus, and some jars, and the Lone Steer. Almost has your name, but it's an R instead of an E. It's an R instead of an L. It's close. Did you get a kissy from mommy? Alright, let's help her down the stairs now. And that's it for tonight. I was working on a video project, didn't quite get it finished. Tired. I'm gonna go to sleep, try and sleep. Steele just got fed, so we got like a 2-hour window to sleep. So I'm gonna go to sleep now while he's getting ready to fall asleep and stuff. Okay, let's go do that. We'll see you tomorrow. Rory's coming home. We missed the little nugget. Love that girl so much. Alright, good night.